Me and Lily cleaning. Look at that. She after the neighbor. Mm-hmm. Got this stuff here whacked down. Trying to clean up. It's trying to dry out. Mm-hmm. Yes. Here's Lily. There's Miss Lily. She don't want to do nothing today. Oh, the sun is getting ready to come out. Yes. Yes, it is. Mm-hmm. Yes. The sun is getting ready to come out. But she being no, she being nosy now. Lily, come, Lily. Well, tell me she ain't getting fat. Look at her. Yeah, she putting on some weight. Yeah, that old girl putting on some weight. I mean, her coat, this is nice and shiny. Hmm. My lady Lily. Well, we guess we'll get right here this weekend. I don't know. We'll get this stuff here all chopped up. And I'll be glad when it dry up because I'm going to shake them buds out over there so we can have some pretty flowers over there next year. Hmm. Morning glory. Oh, yes. And the roses. Oh, my God. They are beautiful. Look at that. They just growing outrageous. Mm-hmm. Gotta get out here and pull some weed. I guess Lily done went in the house. Lily! Lily! Yep, she done went in the house. Lily! No, there she go. You heard me calling you. Are you ignoring me today? Huh? Are you ignoring me? Get in the house. That's my child. That's my youngin'. That's my youngest one. She the last one at home. The other two out, grown and gone. It ain't nobody but me and Lily. Ain't that right, Lily? Nobody but me and look at she's excited. Look at the tail. Nobody but me and her. That's it.